Okay, we got this drilled out. I've sanded this off a little bit to make it a little smoother there. So now we're just going to glue our stick in. We got our stick, 1.25 inch stick, and it's 8 inches long.
We also had a Mountain Dew in the news. Well, and this is also kind of Taco Bell related because of Baja Blast, which you get at Taco Bell, right? Many stoners. Yeah. Mountain Dew releasing a hot sauce tastes like Baja Blast. Is that right? Made in partnership with iBurn, the new hot sauce aims to combine the iconic tropical lime flavor of the beloved Mountain Dew Baja Blast. I don't have a personality. I just eat things that are really hot. With the habanero peppers, green chilies, and jalapenos. Fans can enter to win one of these 750 limited edition bottles. They're being released in honor of National Hot Sauce Day. The contest on Mountain Dew's website runs through February 8th. And if I recall my high school Spanish, Baja is the Spanish word for blue diarrhea. Is that correct? If you think Spanish, I really didn't do well. Okay. Ace, I've got food baskets for you. Oh, cool. You can a set of 12 for $11. I need to. Well, I'll give your friends a couple.
There we go. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you.
Ace, I just bought a case of these baskets for my girls. I'll bring you a couple. Oh, that's nice of you. Well, I'll go ahead and get red. I bought the red one. The red, black, the red ones.
There we go. So now we got our neck piece in. So we'll set this side, let it set up, then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.